Feels really honored. This is my first media appearance ever since I delivered my baby. And very special film because during the course I was expecting my baby, and now here it is at such a prestigious film festival with my director Aditya Jamle. I'm missing my Aditya as well, who's the producer on the film. And so thank you so much for this honor. What do I think about it? What? I don't think. I feel. I feel really good about it. And of course, go. That's your next question, right?
I think, it is the first Goan director film to be nominated for Golden Peacock. But let's hope. I mean, the fingers are crossed with all the good wishes from the entire India, not just Goa. I think we should.
The fact that we're competing with such fantastic films, and I've read about them. I saw the posters and whatever little synopsis I read. I think that's वो अपने आप में ही बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. बाकी हारना जीतना क्या वो सब हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. Just to be here and share the same platform is amazing. हम भी यंग ही हैं. Aspiring. मैं भी inspiring हूँ. No, just I've worked with first time or mostly second time filmmakers all my life, and he's also of course been one of them. And I still feel that's what makes me feel that I'm still aspiring or I'm still very young in this industry. And they come with such fresh perspective, with such fresh collaborative energy. और कहानी बहुत ज़रूरी है एक फ़िल्म के लिए. प्रोजेक्ट ना बनाए, फिल्म बनाए, सिनेमा बनाए, बड़ा सोचें. उसके लिए स्टोरी ज़रूरी है, उसके लिए स्क्रिप्ट पर मेहनत करें. I think that is what the idea of a big film and a small film has really changed and evolved. And उसका जो bridge है वो है script. So I think that's the hero of the film. Thank you.